It is Sunday, October 30th, 2011. Just about 9:05. Now it is 9:05. And this is the final result. I am going to put the disconnect back in my neighbor's air conditioner. And then I am going car dealer exploring. He said he turned off the thermostat, so it shouldn't turn on. Alright. Perfect. Damn it. Just stick that in there. Perfect. Perfect. All right. It's actually very pretty until you realize you're going to have to shovel it. Again. And I think I'm gonna have to rescue the truck before I can drive anywhere. I don't think the windshield wipers will work now. There's too much damn snow on it. Look at all those geese. Beautiful, but at the same time, flying shit machines. I don't know how the hell I'm going to put the Halloween decorations out tomorrow. But one thing's for sure, all this snow will deter the mischief nighters. There's those same Halloween decorations from yesterday. Yeah, look at that. Normally these are really full and really big, but because of there's still leaves on them, the snow really weighted down the branches. we can make this thing stick up. This has been an amazing year in terms of weather. We had the crazy blizzard in January and February of this year. Then we had all these brutally hot days in the summer, over 100 degrees. Then we get Hurricane Irene, and then we get all this rain before, during, and after Hurricane Irene. And now we're getting decent snowfalls in October. This is the time of year when we can still have the windows open and the heat and the AC off. Snowman's over there.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.